BBMPH Billstone upgraded wall panels at affordable price. BBMPH Billstone's upgraded wall panels offer a multitude of benefits, making them an excellent choice for construction projects. Here are the key features. Key features: composition. Made of two smooth surface panels consisting of fiber cement or chloride-free mineral glass and PP fibers. Surface panel. The surface panel is manufactured with multi-layers 2-nose FRP mats, 1-no polythene non-woven cloth, fiber cement bonding with glass and polypropylene fibers to protect against cracks in indoor or outdoor application. Foaming. The core is formed with protein foaming agent and the pores restricted to less than 20% of volume. Durability. Steam cured for enhanced durability and water resistance. Reinforcement. Steel rod mesh reinforcement for added protection against damage. Fire resistance. A1 grade fire resistant, with a 4-hour fire rating. Energy efficiency. Insulated and energy efficient. Sound absorption. Excellent sound absorption capabilities. Aesthetics. Available with marble look surface, FISM technology, at an additional cost of 20 rupees/SQ.FT. Safety. No asbestos, chloride content, formaldehyde, or toxic chemicals. Carbonation. The wall panels are treated with short-time carbonation to improve the mechanical characteristics. Pest resistance. Termite and rodent proof. Strength. Increasing strength over time. Dimensions. 610 mm width, 60 to 180 mm thickness, covering full range, and length exactly as required to suit wall height between 6 feet to 10 feet to reduce wastage and saving joints. Core filling. BBMPH has facility to fill up the slurry into the core by pressurized pump, so that no cavities formed in the core due to airlock normally visible in other panels. Benefits. Multi-purpose. BBMPH Billstone wall panel is used not just for wall making but multi-roles as 4-hour fire resistant, insulated, energy efficient, sound absorbing and aesthetic marble look for interior and exterior applications. Low maintenance. Easy to maintain and durable. Eco-friendly. No toxic chemicals and sustainable materials. Cost effective. Competitive pricing and customer is having option to order exact height of the panel required between 8 feet to 10 feet to reduce the wastage and joint work and to have easier alignment. Customers cannot find these all-in-one multi-rolls in any other wall panels in the wall panel world, and the price is very competitive and worth the money spent. If you like this video, please subscribe and click notification bell icons. And also, share on to your contacts.